Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall or download Google Chrome extension. I'm talking about a little puzzle Google Chrome extension. Google Chrome extension not showing up, accidentally delete or anything happened to extension. Let's see how can get it back. Okay, first I'm going to Google and type in Google Chrome Web Store extension. Chrome Web Store. Okay, you can see now extension Chrome Web Store. Click on the link. Okay, now you can see search the store. You can search in the box SEO, typing SEO and searching enter. You can see different type of SEO tools, so you can download anyone. I already downloaded this one. Open SEO status. So I already downloaded, that's why they're asking remove from Chrome, but you should be you have to download. Click right here button, then when you click button, the check-in and everything installed to right here. You can see the little puzzle piece. I already downloaded right here. Open SEO status. So that's a puzzle piece for extension SEO. Accidentally, if you delete or anything happen, you can reinstall, download like that. After you download it, you can see right corner showing up your extension icon. Then you can organize anything, ad blocker, Grammarly, already have it IQ. Alright guys, that's a short video about how to Chrome extension not showing up or anything happen. Download it back, you get the SEO and extension back. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.